Badgeroo's Probability Adventure with Gorillaphant. In the heart of the lush emerald jungle, where ancient trees whispered secrets and vines danced in the breeze, a curious and fearless creature named Badgeroo hopped through the undergrowth. Badgeroo, with his black and white fur, powerful kangaroo legs, and a pouch full of gadgets, was always ready for an adventure. But today, something magical was afoot. As he bounded past a shimmering waterfall, a portal of swirling lights opened, transporting him to a hidden realm, the magical math workshop. There, awaiting him, was the wise and gentle giant Gorillaphant, a mighty hybrid of gorilla strength and elephant wisdom, with large, flapping ears, a short trunk, and deep amber eyes that sparkled with knowledge. "Welcome, young Badgeroo," boomed Gorillaphant in his deep, rumbling voice, his trunk gently waving like a welcoming hand. "I've been expecting you. Here in this enchanted workshop, we'll explore the mysteries of probability. It's the art of predicting chances, like knowing if you'll snag a honey treat from a beehive without a sting. Remember, probability is the ratio of favorable outcomes to total possible outcomes. P of A equals favorable/total. It can be a fraction, decimal, or percent, all the same magic." Badgeroo's beady eyes gleamed with mischief. "Honey, I don't hop around the bush. Let's rumble with some math," he exclaimed, his tail swishing excitedly. The simple bowl experiment. Gorillaphant led Badgeroo to the first chamber, where a shimmering bowl appeared on a pedestal. Inside, 2 red chips, 4 blue chips, 3 yellow chips, and 1 green chip were contained, glowing with ethereal light. "A chip is to be randomly drawn," explained Gorillaphant, his large ears flapping thoughtfully. "The probability of a red chip being drawn is what we seek." Badgeroo peered in, his claws tapping the edge. Together, they calculated favorable outcomes, 2 red chips, divided by total outcomes, 10 chips, gave 2/10, reducing to 1/5, or 0.20, or 20%. Out of every 5 draws, 1 red is expected, Gorillaphant added wisely. Big heart, big ears, and even bigger chances. The bag of marbles with replacement. Deeper into the workshop, a glowing bag materialized, containing 4 red marbles, 6 blue marbles, and 5 green marbles. 2 marbles are to be drawn and replaced after each, Gorillaphant instructed, demonstrating independent events. The probability of a red first and green second is to be found. Badgeroo bounced eagerly as they multiplied the chances. 4/15 for red, then 5/15, 1/3 for green after replacement. 4/15 times 1/3 equals 4/45, he calculated, grinning. Gorillaphant nodded, emphasizing how replacement keeps the totals constant, like returning a borrowed vine after swinging. The bag of marbles without replacement. The bag's enchantment shifted, preventing replacement to show true dependence. "Now, without returning them," Gorillaphant said, his trunk pointing to the bag. "Red, then green again." The probabilities adjusted, 4/15 for the first red, then 5/14 for the green. Multiplying gave 4/15 times 5/14 equals 2200/10, reducing to 2/21. "See how the total shrinks from 15 to 14? Gorillaphant explained. Badgeroo nodded, realizing the importance of reading the magic carefully. Replacement or not makes all the difference. The bin of chips with replacement. Progressing further, a sturdy bin emerged with 8 blue chips, 6 green chips, and 2 orange chips. 2 chips with replacement, blue then orange, Gorillaphant challenged. Badgeroo leaped into the calculation. 8/16, 1/2 for blue, 2/16, 1/8 for orange. 1/2 times 1/8 equals 1/16. The bin of chips without replacement. The bin's magic altered for 3 draws without replacement. Green, then orange, then green, Gorillaphant said, extending the challenge. Adjusting step by step, 6/16, 3/8 for first green, 2/15 for orange, 5/14 for second green. Multiplying, 3/8 times 2/15 times 5/14 equals 31,680, reducing to 1/56. Out of 56 tries, once on average, Badgeroo noted, his pouch jingling with excitement. The lessons integrated. As the workshop's glow faded, Gorillaphant gathered Badgeroo close. All these trials connect, my friend. Probability predicts averages over many attempts. Multiply for dependent events, remember replacement for independence, and adjust for dependence without it. You're now equipped for any quest, GED or Jungle Rumble. Badgeroo hopped back through the portal, wiser and ready. Thanks, Gorillaphant. Big hugs and bigger probabilities ahead. The jungle welcomed him home, but the magic of math remained etched in his fearless heart.